Welcome to I Do Not Have a Boss, and today we are taking you to Bic C in Phuket City. It's a quite big store with multiple levels, and on the main level there are Tesco Lotus, of course, and the pharmacy, and you will also find, of course, the usual variety of small shops that sells, everything more or less. So this is the main floor, and as you can see, there's a lot of stores, for rings, clothes, electronics, and pharmacy, coffee shops, yeah, anything you may or may not need. Quick jump into Bic C, and this starts off with a section of bakery, bread, and stuff. Everything with sugar. And if you take everything that needs to be weighed, they will actually help you with that, and put a sticker on it and everything like that, so you don't need to. Right beside it you have the fruit. Healthy and not so healthy. And as phalanx foreigners, we like some imported meat sometime. And this guy have a TGM, Thai German meat, I think it stands for. The sausages here, be very careful, because the actual sausage itself are usually each sausage it's wrapped in plastic. So if you try to fry it, you're gonna fry plastic. It's very funny. We have tried that a few times. And the rattlesnaking here is from the cart we got, of course. This is kind of interesting. The wheels in the front steers, but the ones in the back are fixed. It's a new experience, especially for Swedish people, where usually all the four wheels are turning. And of course, quite large selection of sweets, candy, cookies, anything with carbohydrates. They just love it, and I would say we Falang also love this. And if you would fancy some yogurt or milk and stuff, they have it also, of course. More than enough products to choose from. I'm gonna leave this to your own imagination, actually. And by the way, the reason I'm doing a voiceover, they don't really like when you film inside their stores. So instead of being kicked out, I decided to speak, as this voiceover thing, and hopefully it's good enough. If you need some sugar, yes, they have it. And you can buy whatever soy sauce you need or your heart desired. They will probably have it here. And more rice. A lot of rice. Yeah, I'm not surprised. And when it comes to alcohol, it's from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and from 5 p.m. to midnight. And I see some notes on like Tesco or Bic C when you get home delivery that if you buy more than 10 liters, I'm not really sure that's a rule that's always in effect. So if you want to be sure, it's those times that are available for buying alcohol, minus any day that is Buddha day. Electrical stuff, you can find it here, of course. And these guys decided to test out the new loudspeaker. And if you fancy a guitar, yeah, you can see yourself. Why not? Kid stuff. Not really the biggest assortment, but they have more or less what you need. Basic stuff.
Can you leave?
Yeah, okay.
It's okay for you?
And of course, right side the camera shop, there is a barbecue. Totally normal in Thailand. So now we're riding down to the lower section, which has gold stores, toy stores, children clothes, cosmetics, whatever you may or may not need. And they have Jeep and Banana IT if you want a new computer or something else. And what would a shopping center be without a center for the kids? Where you can actually spend some money and don't get anything except spend some time. So how this place works is actually you get one of those cards you fill up with credits, and then you can use it on the machines afterwards. You can see the blinking stuff on the side. That's where you pay for your game. And then you return the card, and if there are any cash left, you get that back. There is a small food court that we haven't tried yet, but it's Thailand. Probably something is delicious. And here to my right, so on my left, there's Banana IT. Despite the name, they actually sell computers and stuff. And Jeep. So two different competitors, and they have the most you need. One tips is actually use Lazada instead, because it's an online store, and you can buy it, it will deliver to your hotel room or wherever you live in Thailand, and the prices are much better. So that's it for today. They have a parking garage, and on the front they have just ordinary parking. So pick your poison.
Bye bye.